attention to them damn things. Oh well. Lost cause, folks. Lost cause. Good morning, folks. This is food on here nice and early in the morning. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. And chopping up some chicken. I'm going to be making some curry chicken for dinner later on. Alright, so I'm just preparing it right now. And of course, when you make a curry chicken, you gotta chop it nice and small. Small pieces, especially the breast, the more fleshy area. I like cutting them in small pieces. Yeah, especially when you're doing like curry chicken and stew chicken, you want your pieces to be nice and small. Okay. Now, of course, the breast area is not my wife's favorite part. She likes bones. Yeah, so here we got I guess a thigh piece. I'm gonna split that. Right down the middle. Take some of that skin off. Split that right in half. A drumstick. Split that in half also. Excuse me. Up down here on the camera. Nasty ass burp a while ago. Oh damn. I done broke my damn board. Ain't that a beep. I done broke my damn cutting board. Son of a gun. Alright, so what I'm going to do, since I'm not going to be cooking these yet, I want to wash them, and I'm going to season them, and stick them in a Ziploc bag until later on. Alright folks, the next thing I'm going to be doing is seasoning my chicken. Alright, so I'm going to keep it inside the Ziploc bag, so I can keep all the flavor in after I'm finished seasoning it. Alright, so I got my tablespoon. Alright, so I'll put a tablespoon of cumin, ground cumin. A tablespoon of Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning. I don't want too much salt in this thing. Alright, get the top back on there. We'll do a tablespoon of Mrs. Dash salt-free, but it's full of flavor. And Dash has got all kind of spices in there, garlic and herbs and all that good stuff in there. Garlic powder. Tablespoon of garlic powder in there. And I love basil. Alright, so another tablespoon of basil. Put some fresh garlic, tablespoon of fresh garlic. Brown cheese sauce. Put a tablespoon of that also in there to give it some color. That should be good. I'm gonna rinse the spoon up because I'm gonna put some cumin in there also. Not cumin, I mean paprika. So it's gonna be a tablespoon of paprika. Spanish style paprika. Oops. And what else? What am I forgetting? Oh, curry. I'll put some curry in there also. Can't forget the curry, since what we're going to do today is curry chicken. That's the main ingredients for today's meal. Curry chicken. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of curry in there, curry powder. Alright, and I think that should be it for now. Alright, because later on when I do get the actual cooking, you know, the curry chicken, I'm going to cut up all my spices in there. My onions, my peppers, garlic, and all that good stuff is going to go in some potatoes and all that stuff before I get it cooking. So let me mix that up and stick it in the fridge. I'll let it sit there for a couple hours. But I'm actually not going to cook this until I'll probably start this about 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock or so. I'll get that started. Yeah, because it's curry chicken. It's not going to take too long to cook. I'm going to be making it with some food. Yeah, and vegetables, of course. Alright, you know what? I'm going to put some, I like putting olive oil. Yeah, I like mixing it with some olive oil to distribute the spices that's in there. Right. Let's make sure everything moves around evenly. Make sure every piece of the meat's in there. Get some even amount of spices on them. You see right there, folks? Yep. So I'm gonna let that sit for a couple hours and marinate in its juices until later on, right? I'll see y'all in a couple hours. First batch of fried dumpling. Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, I just added my carrots and my potatoes to my curry chicken. Let me start a little bit. Now I'm going to add some water to that and let it sit there and simmer. I'm going to cover it up and let it sit and simmer. I'm also add some mixed vegetables, but I'm going to wait until like the last, 5 minutes or so, because I don't want it to get too mushy. All right, so let me add some more liquid to that and cover it up. All right, that should be enough. There we go. A couple of sticks of fresh thyme. Cover up. And she should be. All right, look, folks. This is my first time doing this. Frying up some yam, yellow yam. Never done this before. Hopefully it comes out good. Fry that boy up in some olive oil. Hey folks, hold on a second. Do some adjustments here. Yeah, what's up, folks? Let me see if I can get better lighting. Is that better? Yeah, I guess that's decent. Yeah, so folks, here in the Food Don's kitchen. As a matter of fact, I got something to show you. 1 second there. Yeah, just gonna spice it up a little bit, folks. Needs a little more spicing up. Just a little tiny bit more. Nothing too crazy. Just a little something, something. A little bit of adobo. Nothing too crazy in there. I'll put some of this pimento. A little bit of spice. And that should be it. All right, so folks, like I said, I had something to show you. I started doing these um, last week. Right, printing my logo on my apron. See, it says the Fudan. All right. I'm going to get my website up and running so I can start selling these things. Right. So if you want them, right, the food that the website is not up and running yet, but the website is going to be thedon.com. Right. That's going to be the name of the website, and that should be up and running in about a month or so. So if you want your apron, your T-shirts, hoodies, and stuff like that, there's going to be quite a different few variety of different names, right? That's going to be on the shirts, different logos. But for now, the aprons, they're going to be in Fudan, and I'm going to do plates, cups, and all that good stuff, right? So, try and get my entrepreneurship on the road, right? So what I'm doing today, much better lighting. I'm getting old. Look at that gray hair and all that shit. So anyway, I'm here cooking in the Fudan's kitchen. All right, look at it, bright and sunny outside. Yeah, beautiful day outside today, but it might be a little chilly. So anyway, in the Fudan's kitchen, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment. I'm trying to do as much videos as I can. I put up a video yesterday of me and my children. We're in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, eating some Philly cheesesteak. Right, we went to a place called forgot the name of the daggone place that we went to, but y'all see it in the video. All right, it's supposed to be one of the best cheesecake in Philadelphia. I wasn't impressed at all, but I'm pretty sure there are more places up there that can do a better job than what I had yesterday. All right, so I had fun with my children. I haven't seen them in a while. But just the fact that I spent some time with them, which was a great opportunity. But I'm here in my kitchen cooking. I'm making some curry chicken, fried festival or fried dumpling, some plantain, vegetables, and I'm going to fry up some yam. Of course, all this stuff is healthy grease, olive oil. Which I'm trying to change my diet around and stuff like that. I lost a whole bunch of weight. Must have lost like 20 something pounds already. Face getting skinny and all that stuff. Belly's going and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm on the healthy kick, right? Even though the dumpling and all that stuff is not the best, but I do that once in a while. You gotta treat yourself once in a while, or else your mind will go freaking crazy. You lose your mind because you're trying to diet, you're trying to eat the right foods and so on and so forth, and that's how you fall off. So once in a while you gotta treat yourself. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do today. So this is a Fudan. I'm going to finish up my cooking, and the next time I'm going to be coming on the camera is when I'm eating. Alright, so I'll see you in a few. This is Fudan coming at you again with another video. Actually, I'm finished up the video. I told y'all when I was doing my cooking later on, earlier today, that I'm going to show you a segment of me cooking, right, preparing food and all that stuff, and the next segment is going to be of me eating. All right, so here comes a part of me eating. It's been a couple hours, since I finished preparing the meal and whatnot. I had to make a couple of errands, had to run around and do a few things. But now I'm back home, and I'm about to chow down. Alright, so, y'all want to join me? Let's do this. Alright, I'm going to be drinking some tea. Alright, some ginger tea, because really haven't eaten anything all day. I had some oatmeal earlier, and that's about it. So I'm gonna drink me some tea just so I settle the stomach, before I start munching. Some good ginger tea is always good for the stomach. Yep, some good ginger tea with some honey in it. Helps settle the stomach. So got my food over there. I'm about to go munch down. I got me some curry chicken with some veggies in there, carrots, potatoes. I made some fried dumpling. I made fried yam, yellow yam, and some fried plantain. All fried in olive oil. Which is so much better for you, a lot more healthier. So there we go. Here's my plate. Here's my plate, folks. I can see that. I need to adjust this camera a little bit. All right, give me 1 second, folks. Let me adjust. There we go, folks. I'm gonna start munching. Got my plantain. I can see that. It's pretty good. Can't mess up curry chicken at all. You make a mess of that curry chicken, there's something wrong with you. And here's that yam that I fried up this morning, yellow yam. It's pretty good. Not too bad fried up either. My plantain, I fried up too. And my dumpling. Now I like doing my dumpling, folks, with I guess festival style, with a little bit of sugar in there, cornmeal. I put some coconut powder and flour. Make it nice and light. Alright, folks, all done. See? Plate empty. Alright, got some bones left over, a little bit of scraps. All done, folks. My curry chicken, fried dumpling, yam, and plantain. And it was dinner today. Yeah. I didn't say my plate wasn't big. Not as big as usual. Trying to cut back on my portion. Dropping the pounds like crazy. Look. I ain't that big no more, folks. Just trying to drop the pounds. Alright. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. You know, give me some likes. Hit that subscribe button. Yeah, because right now my channel is stuck at that 30 subscribers. You know, gotta get it up, folks. You know, gotta get it out there. You know, y'all share this channel. You know, like, subscribe, like I said. You know, share with your mom, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your cousins, all that. You know, so they can watch the video and you know, help this channel grow. All right. And like I said earlier in my channel, I have my my website coming up soon. All right. It's gonna be thedon.com. You know, it's gonna be selling my merches on there. I showed you earlier my apron with the food on there. All right. And I got, you know, it's gonna be, you know, aprons, gonna be t-shirts, gonna be hoodies, long sleeve t-shirts, plates, cups, all that kind of accessories for your kitchen, all that stuff. No! So make sure I go and you know, when that's up and running, make sure I go support, you know, the food on. All right. Thank you for watching. God bless. Stay well.